Hey, this is Steve from Flowmaster. If you have an 03 through 08 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500 equipped with a 5.7 liter, and you're looking for more horsepower, more torque, and better throttle response, the Flowmaster Delta Force Performance Intake is the choice for you. Now we're going to put one inside this Dodge Ram right here. Alright, we got the old system out. We're just going to slide in the new Delta Force Performance Intake, and this all bolts to the factory mounting points of the vehicle. It's a really easy installation. Okay, we just concluded an installation here with our new Delta Force Performance Intake for our customer's 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 equipped with a 5.7 liter motor. Now, this was an easy installation. Only took about 25 to 35 minutes to get the old system off and put on the new Delta Force Performance Intake. Now, this is going to give you better throttle response, better torque, and it's going to allow that motor to breathe properly. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and I hope to see a new Delta Force Performance Intake on your ride soon. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.